Welcome to XL News, live from España. We are here in the north of Spain. There's 5 of us that are here on a mission trip, and it has been an amazing time so far, ministering to the church here in Asturias at the north of Spain. So guys, we're here to tell you about what's going on in your church, XL Church. So let's have a look what's happening. Friends, the Summer Club 2023 is happening, and guess what the theme is? At the seaside. Now obviously we're not at the seaside, but you can imagine there's going to be sunshine, sand, all of it. But friends, it's so exciting because Summer Club has been running here for over 20 years, and it's been a time where people have invested their time, their resources, their gifts, skills into this week to make it special for kids during the summer, and we want to do the same this year. So if you want to volunteer, why not speak to Dan, get in touch with one of our team. We'd love to get you involved this year, and we'd love you to mark these dates, the 1st to the 4th of August this summer for the Kids Club. It's happening, so put it in your diaries, get ready, come volunteer if you can, and we'll see you at the seaside.
We don't want to give up a chance to dance. Makes me want to get up and clap my hands. We don't want to give up.
So Heather, tell me, how long have you been doing crocheting for?
I've been crocheting for 46 years, Sandy.
46 years, guys, did you hear that? That's amazing. And now you're doing this at church, aren't you? Every Friday, 10 till
Yes.
12, people can join you for crochet and chatter.
They can.
Tell us a bit more about how it's been going so far.
It's been going well. Although the ladies have crocheted before, we do accept beginners. I will learn them from day one. We are starting, this session is cardigans.
Oh,
So that's what we're doing at the moment.
And I just found out that Tom Davey also crochets.
Yes.
Who is young, hip, like me. So young people, you should be coming to this. So guys, if you're interested in crochet and chatter, then come here Fridays 10 till 12 to join in with the lovely Heather and learn how to crochet and make cardigans. It's going to be good.
Because we live it. Everybody clap, come on.
Ladies, this one's for you on the 22nd of July from 5 p.m. till 7 p.m. We've got the next Devoted Ladies event where we can come together and share testimonies and stories of what God's been doing in our lives. So make sure you join in for that. It's completely free to come along to, but we do require you to sign up so we know about numbers. So sign up online and we'll see you at that next event.
Ever since I met her, life is so much better. Come on, lift it up. Ever since I met her, life is so much better. Ever since I met her, life is so much better.
So that's all for XL News this week, but don't forget this week on Wednesday is prayer and Bible study, so we'll be seeing you there at 7:30 here at XL Church. Have a great week, guys.